One. जय श्रील प्रभुपाद, हरे कृष्णा नाम प्रभु की जय. Welcome all of you for the 41st session of Soulful Japa. Yesterday we discussed about the content of module 11 part 1, and we introduced the concept of attention connection and attention touch. Before that, we began with the situation of our situation in the material world is that of a dream. Prabhupada's quote that how in a sleeping man he sees a tiger in the dream and then he is scared. And Prabhupada explains that the person who is awake, who is next to him, will see him as in the dream, because he is getting so scared. Even in the real world, he is speaking out loudly. Oh, he is crying out loudly. His experience is crying out loudly. So when he is woken up, give him a push and wake him up. He sees there is no tiger. Then his fear is gone. Exactly in the same way, we are all suffering in this material world with the dream that I am this body, all other people are their bodies, and the relationship between all these people who are assuming themselves to be the material body is a dream that lasts from birth to death for each one of us. So that is called false ego. False ego means I am the body. That self-image, that I am this body, is called false ego. So now when we are chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, we are in this current situation where we are in a dream state. So the objective of Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, associating with the Hare Krishna Nama Mantra, as we said earlier also, the Leela of the Nama Avatara is to actually to awaken us and take us back to our home. Just like a person is suffering from the fear of tiger, we are suffering unnecessarily from the fear of birth, old age, disease. Whereas the soul has no birth, old age, disease at all. In the material world, we are suffering from from the death of loved ones. There is no question of death at all. Every love is eternal in the spiritual world. Our constitution itself has no old age and disease. We have a spiritual body. But before we awaken our spiritual body, we have to awaken our spiritual mind. Just like a sleeping man, when you wake him up, first his mind gets awake. Then he sees his senses. Oh yeah. So a sleeping man, when he is dreaming in that sleep, the dreamer is a true, because it's a fact. The dream itself is false, the content of the dream is false. But the attention with which the dreamer is watching the dream is true, and the experience of sukha dukkha, experience of pain and pleasure, As Prabhupada said, even his gross body he is crying out. So he has got an experience. It may be false experience, but the false experience is Sukha Dukkha. So ultimately the holy name will liberate us from this dualistic world of dualistic experience of Sukha Dukkha. And it will bring us to the transcendental Sukha, transcendental happiness. When we realize who we are, what we are. So the logic we mentioned, we discussed yesterday was, when the attention, whether the attention is in the dream or the attention in the wakeful state, both are energies coming from the soul. Both are soul energies. Body is matter. In this body, matter. But now you have an attention, you are hearing me. I have an attention with which I am speaking. I am doing and knowing my speaking. You are also knowing and maybe you are writing also, doing. All that requires attention. That attention in the material world, when the attention is in the dream content, is called dreamy attention, but attention is attention energy. So now the Lord incarnates on my tongue, and then He is the ocean of Satchidananda, potentially omnipotent ocean of Satchidananda, the ordinary vibration. Now when I hear with attention, my attention alone can touch spirit. My tongue can touch matter. My tongue cannot touch, at this stage, cannot touch the Satchidananda experience in that tongue. But when I take that Shabda inside to the attention, that is why I said, chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra is like inviting the Lord. Lord comes on the tongue. Still not reached the soul. Then it hears, that's when with attention you hear, through attention you touch. That's when you get to touch the Namavatara. Therefore, so important to hear. You inviting somebody and you are not associating with him if you are not hearing. So this concept of hearing with attention is called, the name that we are using is, it's a attention connection is established through attention. And then if you maintain that connection for a long time, then the soul is having attention touch. So first I have to establish attention connection with God. Then I have to hold on my attention touch of God. Then into my heart there is flow of Satchit Ananda. Just like the iron in the fire gets red hot slowly. I awaken I purify my Chit. Fully it becomes godly character. So this is the idea. So the idea of understanding this thing is why this understanding is required. Because simply one simple thing. After knowing this, you know that what attention is doing, what attention connection is doing. If you're not chanting attentively, what you are losing, you will know. That means you develop a very deep intention for attention touch. Mindful japa can be successful only when you have a good intention also. Why I should chant and hear? Now we are practicing. Prabhupada is saying chant and hear. Chant and hear that very sound. Now you know why I should hear. If I am not here, I am not touching God. I am not getting association of the Namavatara. So there is a vidhi for everything. That is what we are trying to learn. What is the way of How to do japa? Japa is a devotion service to the Lord. But how is this devotion service rendered? So, there is one quote of Prabhupada where Prabhupada says, I'll just read it out to you. One cannot serve the Supreme Personality of Godhead unless one has achieved full perfectional knowledge in the ways and means of performing devotion service. Please understand the significance of the exercise that we are all undergoing right now. It is because one cannot serve the Supreme Personality of Godhead unless one has achieved full perfection knowledge of what? In the ways and means of performing devotion service. Now this is a devotion service of japa. What are the ways and means of doing it? Ways and means of doing it, Prabhupada has given in some chant, and hear the very chant. And if the mind goes away, then you chant. We have got the diamond rule to bring back the chanting. This is the ways and means. That means when we are doing japa, we should follow this ways. There is a vidhi. Vidhi means there is a direction how to do. Unless every devotion service is done the way it is to be done. Now you know why it has to be done like this. Reason also you have got. Because if you are not having attention, because attention is a spiritual energy from the soul, just like I can touch something with my hand. Similarly, think that attention is my hand, another hand, or another limb of myself. Constantly attention is coming out of the soul. If you take soul, if you consider soul like a torch, light. When you show torch somewhere, you press the switch, the light goes and hits let's say on the wall. I will see what's on the wall there. I move it on the floor, I see what's on the floor. Whichever domain the torch hits, it will lighten it. In the same way, consider that soul is a torch of attention. And that's what Bhagavad Gita Krishna says. You're a kshetrajna, you're just a knower. You're just a knower of everything. You know this body, you know your mind, you know you're not your mind, but you know your mind. You are seeing your mind, but you are not the mind. You are the seer, and that is seen. You are seeing your thinking, feeling, willing, but actually you are not the thinking, feeling, willing. That is not yours. You are the thinker, feeler, and willer, but the thinking, feeling, and willing is outside you, on the material screen, at least now, in the dream. When I am awake, my thinking, feeling and willing is on the real things. Real thinking, feeling and willing. Now my thinking, feeling and willing is in the dream world. But the thinker, feeler and willer is the same in the dream or in a wakeful state. But the content is in the material mind now. So, okay. So we are just the knower with attention. It is with attention only I know. Where my attention goes, that I know. Then next question would be, what is the switch that switch puts on the, you can compare Atma Cheshta as a switch of this torch. This Atma Cheshta is a switch of the torch. When you want attention on some area, then you have to give Atma Cheshta. That means you have to put doing effort and knowing effort in that particular domain. Now we are talking about sound, Nama. When I give doing attention and knowing attention, then automatically torch attention will go. So this is one of the lessons that you have learned, that don't try to handle attention isolatedly, to control attention isolatedly. The way to control the attention is at the control point of Atma Cheshta. If your chesta is on chanting and hearing, conscious chesta is on chanting and hearing, you don't worry about attention. Attention is there. Attention connection is established. That is why Prabhupada says, chant loudly. Okay, again connection, reconnect. Chant loudly. You are already reconnected. Soul is reconnected. Attention connection. So soul is like an attention torch. The switch for attention torch, the control attention means to give Atma Cheshta. Atma Cheshta consists of Kriya Cheshta and Jnana Cheshta. Kriya Cheshta, doing Cheshta, and Jnana Cheshta, knowing Cheshta. These two kind of common, seeing and doing is common element of, common activity of the soul. Right now, you are desiring something, to learn something about soul japa, soulful japa. That means your soul is giving asha. You got will. You willed, based on that desire, you willed to come and sit and watch, put on the computer and watch this at this right time. You willed, ichcha. Jnana Cheshta, you are giving, I want to hear. Kriya Cheshta, what is that? What you are hearing, you are actually, if you may process it also. This is another kind of doing. You may process it, memorize it. Oh, I should remember, I should do it, I should remember this. You will take a pen and you will write. You will take notes. You will repeat to yourself inside what you came to know. Yes, attention is like a torch. So your doing attention is there in learning. In learning also doing, knowing and learning is there. Knowing and doing is there. And imagine what is this japa? Constantly we are doing and knowing, desiring, willing, doing and knowing different things. 24 hours. 2 hours you decide to desire, will, do and know. Again and again, uninterruptedly. That means your soul you are giving to the Lord. This is the important, this is most powerful than any other form of worship of the Lord. Directly, Krishna is non-different from his name, you are completely absorbed in him. So, goal is very clear, to wake ourselves up from that false ego. Tomorrow we'll see what actually waking up means. It's not that, one day, as you are chanting, suddenly you find yourself in the spiritual world, lying on a spiritual bed. Now I am awakened. No, these are all analogies. It's not that. Spiritual awakening means Prabhupada was walking on this earth as an awakened soul. He was not thinking he is a body. He was not thinking everybody else is their body. He was looking at the beautiful creation of the Lord. And in that beautiful creation of the Lord, living entities in forgetfulness are identified with their bodies and trying to enjoy life in this material world without Krishna. Whereas he is walking around in love of Krishna, in serving, in saving all the living entities. Please wake up. This is not the place. This is a spiritual world. So waking up does not immediately mean that you go to the spiritual world. This material world itself will appear to us to be like the spiritual world. Because you see, everything is Krishna's. I and mine is gone. Everything is Krishna's. I am Krishna's. Everybody is Krishna's. They are in forgetfulness of Krishna. Everybody is suffering because of forgetfulness of Krishna. So this is a result of awakening from the dream. As I said yesterday, it is not a small reward. It solves our fundamental problem. That important is this japa, associating with Nama Prabhu every day. That important it is. Okay, so these are all meant for, see how that whole, why I have introduced this terminology, attention connection, attention touch. Because the moment you learn these words, immediately you know, I have lost my connection. So what do you have to do for attention connection? Okay, there is the attention torch. What is the switch for the attention torch? Chesta. Kriya Chesta. Chant loudly, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Oh yeah, already back in connection with the Lord. Again and again bringing back to the Lord, even if it goes. Don't bother about the mind that has gone away. Just see, all these things supports your practice. You develop wisdom. Devotion service has to be done, the combination of two things. One side is wisdom, especially practiced sadhana bhakti. Wisdom and austerity. Little austerity. In this case, we are even normally, you have to have austerity with respect to your material mind-body system, and then support of spiritual knowledge. In this case, austerity is also, so Lord is so merciful. If you do it properly, there is no austerity at all. The austerity is only to train your mind to do it properly, and the mind learns anything in a very short time. At least the mind part, to establish attention connection, it will learn. So you should be very relieved to know that I know the science behind it. The flow of Satchidananda, how Satchidananda flows into me. If you have a overhead tank, and then you have a pipeline, and then you open the tap, the water comes. Why? Tank is there, but you have got a pipeline. If the pipeline is cut, so attention is a pipeline, is attention connection. And these energies are real energies, where there is not simply some analogy. Prabhupada gives, the iron kept in the fire becomes red hot. Wow, how does it become red hot? What is the science behind it? The heat is transferred onto the iron slowly. What happens? The state of the iron changes. Similarly, continuous touch of Harinama changes our chitta, makes it red hot by flow of Sat, Chit and Ananda. So you really know what is happening when I am doing japa. So if there is any problem, immediately you can connect. Okay. Just like electrician, okay, water is not coming, okay, you have to reconnect. And you also know what is the process to reconnect. Chant loudly. So I had to 2 hours, I had to continue maintaining my attention connection. And what is attention touch? Once you connect, then you have to keep the tap open. Connection is there, you have to keep continuously open. That means you have to draw continuously. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. Not that now go somewhere else, then come back. Then again, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. Once you start at least 108 beats, don't close the tap. Let it build up. I gave an example of, recall, I gave an example of, in one of the earlier, many of these examples I have to repeat. It's good that you hear again and again. If you keep a water for boiling on a stove, keep it for, let it go up to 98 degrees centigrade. Take it down off the stove. let it cool off for 5 minutes. Again keep it up. Oh, again it will come to 98. Take it out. Go on doing this 1000 years. Will the water turn to steam? No. What can happen in 20 minutes? Even 1000 years you cannot do it. So therefore you have to hold the water, wait continuously for 16 rounds. Then whatever, it's pure devotee, Srila Prabhupada, the pure devotee of Krishna has told, on his order I am chanting 16 rounds. You will see whatever desired effect has to happen, water boiling, it will evaporate. It's a treatment. Prabhupada has given us a treatment. Harinam is called Aushadhi. It's a medicine. Medicine to be administered through the ears. Medicine to be produced by the tongue. And there is no indigestion at all for this. Go on, as much as you can take medicine, you get cured faster and faster and faster. So, attention connection, attention touch, then there is transfer of Satchid Ananda energy from the Lord. Of course, it's a personal energy. As on a personal relationship, it flows. As I said, potentially omnipotent. So this intellectually, when you understand that actually if I don't give attention, I am not touching God, then it develops a deep intention for. This is the intention of japa. People say, no, if you have intention, attention is there. If you have intention, then attention is there. So intention of japa is attention connection. At least in the mindful japa. Once you get connected, then you don't have to worry about attention connection because already connected. Now you're only worried about attention touch. So then I have okay. So with these things, I think the 11th module, the part 1 I have completed. We will take some questions. Before that, let us keep this in the background and chant one round. I decided something when I speak with little application, let us chant, because already your mind slices get almost trained for concurrent chanting and hearing. And all these things, now intention will only strengthen your chanting and hearing. What is the intention of chanting and hearing the very same sound? What is the intention? Oh, I want attention connection and I want attention touch for 108. Now you will see when there is intention, there is more bondage of attention, chesta. Because chesta has an intention. Okay, now you can put it on.
The process is that you chant Hare Krishna and exactly the same sound you hear.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
You simply hear when you say Hare Krishna, you try to hear the very sound.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
You simply chant Hare Krishna and try to hear the sound, that's all.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
When you chant, you must hear also.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
While chanting, you must hear. Hare Krishna, you must give attention to hear.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare.
As soon as you chant Hare Krishna, you hear it, then your mind becomes locked up.
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna Krishna 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 Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare Okay, so definitely with this background knowledge about the purpose, about the intention of attention connection, then our chesta becomes very focused. What is this chesta for? For creating the attention connection and maintaining the attention touch. Okay, that is a chesta. Chesta has an intention. We started with attention. If you need attention, you need chesta. You need chesta means you need an intention. What is it that you want to do and know? What is the purpose of this effort? What is the effort of this combining this doing and knowing? What is the purpose? So that is. As purpose, I wouldn't say. Purpose is a long-term thing. What you want to achieve by something. Purpose of life, purpose of entire japa, like that. But what is the intention in each bead? Intention in each bead of japa. Intention every moment. Or the action intention, chesta intention is what? To connect and to touch. Remember that? And behind that, I've given a lot of background knowledge now. What it does, it goes by attention touch, there is transfer of energy. Just like by overhead connection with the overhead tank, water flows in. Similarly, Satchidananda energy flows in. Into our heart. What is the result of that? It will awaken us. Our original consciousness will awaken us. Oh, how will it awaken us? Because you see, in Satchidananda, Chit is there. It's pure Chit energy. Now what is I am this body? Is Achit. It's an ignorance. Self-knowledge is forgotten. Pure self-knowledge is called Chit. And the knowledge of my self's connection with the Supreme Self is called Chit, pure Chit. So Chit flows in by this attention connection. Now, so again to remind you, because normally what happens, we chant Hare Krishna, take the beats, we chant Hare Krishna every day, we chant. Now onwards, you should not think like that. My God, this is the most important activity. I am going to wake up from this material, world. I am going to have self-realization and God realization through this process. Simple process. Questions? Module 10 states attention gets purified by such touch of Nama Avatara. When attention energy is spiritual, what purification does it undergo? Yes, attention energy also is right now contaminated with Tamoguna, Rajoguna and Sattoguna. It is colored. Just like white light is colored with, red glass, it becomes red light, green light, or multicolored. So right now our attention is not, attention that comes out of the soul is pure. But once it is filtered through this body and the senses and the mind, it is by the time it comes out, it is infected with the three modes of material nature. So by touch of the Satchidananda, attention itself becomes purified. That means it becomes free from the three modes of material nature gradually. Where does three modes of material nature mix with it? By identification with this body. So impurity means three modes of material nature. When we identify ourselves as servant of Krishna, although prioritizing the needs of the master, still the servant has some personal needs as we observe in this world. Kindly explain. There is no question of prioritizing, there is no question of separate need of the servant independent of the master. Why? Servant body is belonging to the master. Servant body has so many needs. Is it your need or is it master's need? There is oneness in the purpose. Once oneness in purpose is there, I am his. So when you maintain yourself, you don't maintain yourself in the normal karmis maintained in a selfish mode. That is why the devotee is completely dependent upon the Lord. Nityo nityanam chetanas chetananam. Even the devotees are maintained by the Lord. So why we have to bother about our maintenance? Just like a very rich man, does he bother about his 3 meals a day? No. A poor man, hungry man, he'll bother about the 3 meals a day. We are rich, we are spiritually rich, we are engaged in devotion service of our spiritual master. Automatically these things, needs are fulfilled. We don't bother about it, we don't worry about it. But needs are there. In one sense you can call they are personal needs, but it's all, you should not separate it like that, personal needs. My body is given to spiritual master, body's needs is, it's not me, body is not me. If I have to take the car and go out and preaching, I have to maintain my car. Can you call it a personal need? Suppose you are a preacher, you take a car and go out to preach. Prabhu, for the sake of the service of the master, you see, I have to take this, it's a personal need. Car is a personal need. No, it's not a personal need. Putting petrol in the car is not personal need. Similarly, maintaining the body and soul together, giving nice prasadam to the body, maintaining bodily cleanliness, having a nice bath, being fresh, keeping the body a little active with some yoga or pranayama, especially in these days of lockdown, when there is no physical activity, or nice kirtan, chanting, dancing, We have to keep ourselves and sleep nicely. Nicely again, I told you again. Nicely, not oversleep. Sleep nicely means you have to find out how much your body needs and sleep. Sleep more, there is a problem. For any yoga, including Bhakti Yoga, sleep less also you have a problem. If you sleep less, you can't chant properly. In module it says, that is why you don't find the soul physically in the body, as the soul is not matter. How is soul's position in the heart to be understood with Paramatma? See, first of all, Paramatma is situated in the heart is a statement of the Shastras. But you open your heart, you don't find Paramatma. So what does it mean? There are so many dimensions, even material dimensions, which we are not aware of. Till today, scientists do not know what is space, what is time. They do not know. Just because they explain an apple falls and this is the gravitational equation, but they are not explaining why does it fall, what is that gravity. Little more they go inside. The latest the scientists are saying, it is because gravity is not the original cause. Space-time curvature is the cause of gravity. They say. Big deal. Now tell me why space-time curvature is there. Why space-time is not straight? Why curvature is there? Nothing. We have not understood fundamentally even one extra thing than the tribals. We only know technology. It works like this, now let me use it. Originally the science started with thinking that science started with philosophy. That is why we say, even a physics doctorate is called Doctor of Philosophy. Because originally, quest for knowledge was all philosophy. What is quest for knowledge was quest for life. Purpose of life or the aspects of life, inquiry. What is the Satyam? What is the Param Satyam? That is how it began. Science also began like that. But from that day till today, as far as what is space, what is time, nobody has understood. We cannot understand. Where are all the 14 planetary systems? Immediately they will say these are all imagination. That means you believe that this is what you see is the only space. So normally every other verse of Bhagavatam talks about 14 planetary systems, but we cannot see. So forget about it. Physically, the reason why we cannot, soul itself we cannot locate. 1/10,000th tip of a hair. Today electron microscopes are there. You go deep inside, can you see? That means even the dimension that of the soul is also not of this dimension. There is another space dimension or the multi dimensions here we don't understand. So let's not speculate about it. If somebody wants to, let us say, do some, if our Shastras wanted to just bewilder us, they will not say all these things. Because they know, if you open the heart, Paramatma is not there. So they lose their faith. So I should not say Lord is in the heart. But they bravely said, because Lord is in the heart. What is the dimension in your heart? Heart is where the soul gets connected with this body. Connected from which dimension to which dimension? We have no idea. It's just functioning, that's all. Is it okay if once in a while during japa I tell myself I should hear, I should be chanting attentively? No, once in a while you can do that, but see, don't stress yourself, I must hear, I must hear. I told you yesterday, I received a lot of, 2-3 devotees who got a lot of relief from that. What is it? Instead of hearing, you are thinking you should hear. Thinking you should hear is not hearing. Hearing is hearing. Thinking of hearing is thinking. Every bead after bead, you're thinking I should hear, thinking I should hear, thinking I should hear. Oh, you will get tired. Energy doesn't come from thinking that you should hear. Energy comes from hearing. Small, subtle thing, it'll spoil everything. The moment you're thinking, then interpretation comes. This thinking. If attention is soul's property, then how can there be attention in a dream? Why? Because otherwise you won't remember the dream. You are experiencing the dream. When you wake up, you are saying, I dreamt like that. So you don't have to give it out consciously. In the dream, by arrangement of the Lord, there is an experience of dream in the dream. The experience of certain experiences are given, thinking, feeling experiences are given in the dream, through the dream. That means the soul is attentive there, but it need not be consciously attentive. Your attention is locked there by arrangement of the Lord to keep your mental health. If you didn't have proper dreams, if you didn't every day sleep and have dreams, you will be a madman in few days. So it is part of the upkeep of the yantra. So that is there. So you called it dreamful attention, not awakened. That means our attention must be there even when we do mechanical japa. No, when we do mechanical japa, we don't, because we have taken our attention away somewhere else. When we are awakened normal, when I am doing my japa, I have my full free will for my japa, where I want to take it. Therefore, in mechanical japa, you don't have any attention. Whereas by the arrangement of the Lord, when we sleep, your attention is locked up for certain things till you wake up. Certain experiences. Dream is also life, part of life. Imagine people sleep, say, 8 hours a day, 1/3 of their life they are sleeping. Is it unimportant? By mindful japa alone, is it possible to realize that I am not this body but soul? 100%. Only for mindful japa, this realization will come. This is the verdict of the Shastras. You don't need anything from outside. But when you do it from outside, it becomes faster. Because chit is also, you are giving additional support. Fan is turning this way. Ultimately, you want the fan to turn this way. Suppose you reverse the motor or whatever it is, start turning. And you want to give additional turn with your hands also. There are many other ways of giving additional turn, additional strength. So in the same way, if you read Prabhupada's books, that is also turning the fan this way. Japa also, that chit can come like that, chit can come from Nama also. Because Prabhupada's words are also transcendental. It's also like chanting only. So therefore you have to hear Shastras also, plus chant. It becomes accelerated. Suppose you don't know language, you can't read anything. I personally know one devotee, one Maharaj who is now in Maharaj. Very nice devotee, the other can. He was 7th standard or something. Prabhupada, I can't read and all those things. Simple boy, Indian. Prabhupada says you simply chant, everything will come. And this is not Prabhupada's thing, this is revealed. I have given those quotes in different modules. Please read those quotes. Krishna, Nama, Leela, everything will manifest. How many times we have heard to distinctly hear and focus on each Nama while chanting? What is the significance of time factor in completing a round? It seems we are hurrying to finish the round rather developing taste for same. Please clear this doubt. See, do what Prabhupada said. Prabhupada did not say that, you develop taste. Prabhupada said you chant and hear and taste will come. Okay? So, now if you delay, okay, I have to taste, I have to do it very slowly, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Let the taste come. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. What are you going to do to develop taste? God only has to give you taste. You simply do it. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. Taste is given by God. When you have attention locked, taste is given. Taste is not taken. Taste is given when you lock the attention. You cannot take anything from God unless God gives it. Material things you can take by your will. Spiritual things, by your consciousness of begging, you get it. It is received. Taste is received. Okay? So your endeavor is not for tasting, your endeavor is for attention connection. How I bring my family in Krishna consciousness? Because when I chant, they think I am mad, and when I am doing Ekadashi fasting, they become angry on me. All these things practically, intelligently you have to manage these situations in your home. First you try to preach to them. If they become offensive, then quietly you carry out your things. For this you need detailed discussion with devotees. That is when we get devotee association. You can ask the details. How to manage these things. What is the actual size of time in one round of chanting? Around 7.5 minutes. Gross body may lie on a bed and rest. Even though through machinery of gross body is working. Living entity may go into a dream and then return to gross body. When he returns to the body, he forgets his dream. Similarly, when living entity takes on another gross body. Please explain this. Hey, Prabhupada has explained, that's all. When you close your eyes, you go. You're out of the gross body. Do you remember your gross body? You don't. Then you go into so many details, you go into another space and time in dream. Where is that space and time? Now this is another question. Where the scientists know about another space and time? Prabhupada clearly says the living entity goes out. Through the umbilical cord is there. Connection is there. But actually during the night when you dream, you go out of the body. Where is this? How do you understand this? There is a subtle world. Just like there is a gross world, there is a subtle world. That means there is a gross energy is one gross matter. Similarly, subtle matter makes up subtle energy. That's why earth, water, fire, air, manas, buddhi, ahankara, 8 elements this material energy is formed of. Where is that world formed of 3 energies? Not only in our body, 3 types, it is there. You go into that world, that subtle world. What are the dynamics of that? Please understand, at least be mystified. I don't know anything, we don't know anything. When I close my eyes, what happens to me, I do not know anything. What Prabhupada says, what Shastra says, I go out and experience and come. Where is that out? Can that out be located in this material world? I went to America. Let's say in the dream you saw you went to America. But is that America, which is there, gross America? Mystery. Where is the soul in the heart? Mystery. Where is Paramatma in the heart? Mystery. Statements are just made in the Shastras. That the soul is in the heart, Paramatma is in the heart. When you sleep, you go out into another world. Come on, a challenge to modern scientists. You prove it otherwise. You give another theory. Can we go to Goloka by chanting at home, by taking instruction from Srila Prabhupada? By his books. Yes, you have to take instruction from Srila Prabhupada. You can go chanting, and by chanting, plus you need to have sadhu sangha. Prabhupada said, I created this International Society for Krishna Consciousness for the sake of sadhu sangha. There are 3 elements, Guru, Sadhu, Shastra. You have to take help from all of them, and then Guru means you have to take help from the external spiritual master. And his external spiritual master has created an institution for sadhu sangha. Guru, sadhu. Sadhus are practicing the Shastras and what the Guru said. So, Guru, Sadhu, Shastra, we have to take help of all of them, and then we can go back to Godhead. Okay, yesterday's 2 questions remain unanswered. One more question. During japa, there are 2 types of linking happening. One chanting with hearing and one attention with Shaktiyavesha Nama. Yeah, chanting with hearing is happening by automatically. You are not doing it. Once mind slice is created, you are giving chesta, that gets linked as chanting and hearing. Automatically attention is also either one of those things. For instance, if you want light and the switch is chesta, you put the switch on, there's nothing to do with the light. You don't have to do anything with the light. But light will go and touch. So in the same way, attention will touch Shaktiyavesha Nama Avatara. You don't have to do anything with attention to touch Nama Avatara. Okay? So one follows the other. You have to do only one thing, chanting and hearing, chesta. You don't have to do anything about the attention. That's one of the big mistakes that we have been doing. Oh, I have to be attentive, I have to be attentive, I have to be attentive, and you never know what is attention, where is it, how to get hold of this attention. Is it not? That was the problem. You want to control something which you cannot catch. Now I told you, no, you catch the intention, you catch the chesta in the heart. We are so used to chesta. Give chesta for this, give chesta for this, give chesta. 24 hours we are handling chesta. Okay, give chesta for automatically attention. Do we have to chant all the rounds hearing Srila Prabhupada's audio japa? Yes, during practice, yes, do it. This is practice session. If you don't, if automatically see, all these are flexible. Nobody knows what is a pakka rule. For each person it is different. That is why I have given you the principle. Principle is there should be, during practice, there should be background, continuous linking direction to aim Kriya Chesta and Jnana Chesta on the same Shabda, on the currently manifesting Shabda. If you are able to do that without paper, you are able to do that without reading 3 times, you are able to do that without the Prabhupada prompted chanting, do it, continue it, but see that 90 days you continue without break. Okay, so today's time is up. Thank you very much. Jai Srila Prabhupada, Hare Krishna, Nama Prabhu ki Jai. Let's come out, okay?